Saudi Arabia, a nation synonymous with vast oil reserves and traditional monarchical rule, is undergoing a period of profound change. Led by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, the kingdom has embarked on an ambitious plan to modernize its economy and society. This vision, known as Vision 2030, seeks to reduce Saudi Arabia's dependence on oil, foster technological innovation, and improve the quality of life for its citizens. At the heart of this transformation are a series of mega-projects designed to capture global attention and propel Saudi Arabia into the forefront of the 21st century. These projects, including the futuristic city of Neom, are nothing short of breathtaking in their scope and ambition. However, even the most ambitious visions are not immune to the constraints of reality. The recent decision to implement funding cuts across a range of projects, including Neom, is a testament to these challenges. Neom, the crown jewel of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, has captivated the world's imagination with its promise of a futuristic metropolis unlike any other. Envisioned as a city built from the ground up, powered entirely by renewable energy and governed by artificial intelligence, Neom represents the pinnacle of Saudi Arabia's aspirations. However, the path to realizing such an ambitious vision is fraught with challenges. The sheer scale of the project, estimated to cost hundreds of billions of dollars, has raised concerns about its financial viability. The recent decision to reduce funding for Neom, while disappointing to some, reflects a pragmatic approach to managing expectations and resources. By scaling back the project's immediate scope, the Saudi government aims to ensure its long-term viability. While the pace of development may have slowed, the vision for Neom remains intact. The decision to implement funding cuts across its ambitious projects, including Neom, highlights Saudi Arabia's commitment to fiscal responsibility. While the kingdom possesses substantial wealth, the global economic landscape has become increasingly uncertain in recent years. Fluctuations in oil prices, geopolitical tensions, and the lingering effects of the pandemic have all contributed to a need for greater prudence in managing public finances. The Saudi government, under the leadership of Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, has demonstrated a keen understanding of these economic realities. Rather than clinging to unsustainable spending patterns, the kingdom is taking proactive steps to ensure its long-term economic health. This commitment to fiscal discipline is evident in the government's efforts to diversify its revenue sources, reduce its budget deficit, and prioritize investments with the greatest potential for economic growth. By making difficult choices today, the kingdom is positioning itself for a more prosperous and resilient future. Saudi Arabia, the world's leading oil exporter, is aware of the need to diversify its economy. The volatility of oil prices and the shift to renewable energy highlight the need for alternative economic growth. Vision 2030 aims to reduce oil dependence and create a diversified, resilient economy. By focusing on technology, tourism, and manufacturing, Saudi Arabia seeks a balanced, sustainable economic model. This strategy is crucial for job creation, attracting investment, and ensuring long-term prosperity. Saudi Arabia's resources, location, and leadership give it an edge in global transformation. Vision 2030, the ambitious blueprint for transforming Saudi Arabia's economy and society, remains the guiding principle behind the kingdom's development strategy. Recent funding cuts and project delays highlight the need for adaptability. The global economic landscape is constantly evolving, and Saudi Arabia's leaders have shown a pragmatic approach. Prioritizing projects reflects a strategic assessment of their economic viability. The core tenets of Vision 2030 remain intact. The kingdom's commitment to economic diversification, social progress, and technological innovation has not wavered. By embracing a flexible approach, Saudi Arabia navigates global complexities. As Saudi Arabia navigates the complexities of economic transformation, the future of its ambitious projects, including Neom, remains a subject of intense interest. The recent funding cuts and project delays have sparked debate about the kingdom's ability to realize its grand vision. However, it is essential to view these adjustments in the context of a long-term strategy. Saudi Arabia's leadership has demonstrated a commitment to fiscal responsibility, economic diversification, and social progress. The kingdom's vast resources, coupled with its strategic location and the determination of its people, provide a solid foundation for future growth. The challenges ahead are significant, but so too are the opportunities. The kingdom's success will depend on its ability to adapt to evolving global dynamics, foster innovation, and create an environment conducive to investment and growth. The path ahead may be challenging, but Saudi Arabia's ambitions remain firmly intact.